Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am talking about what is Cocopeat, how to use it and benefits. Cocopeat is a naturally growing medium made from the coconut husk. It is a very lightweight and spongy, which is widely used as an organic growing medium. Cocopeats are easily available in the plant market or e-commerce website. Take a cocopeat block and place it in a container. Then slowly add water. Allow it to expand. When it has absorbed enough water, it will become loose. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you can break off the cocopeat block with your hand. Now it is ready to use for potting mix. If you want to make cocopeat at your home, please check out link on I button or video description. Cocopeat is used as a soil supplement to keep the soil well drained and holding moisture. It is an ideal medium for seed germination, so you can easily germinate any seeds in it. Cocopeat is widely used in horticulture for its antifungal properties, water holding ability, and eco-friendly. It can be reused for up to 5 years. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.